Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 17, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 17, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, April 17, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 17, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, April 17, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 17, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.